Hello, this is Scott Toller over at Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. I'm here today to show off one of our brand new Chevy Camaros. This one in a newly released color called Shock Green. This Camaro is an LT package with some custom pinstripes and black accents added to the grille and front, as well as black wheels. This Camaro is an LT, which means it's got all the features that you'll need in it. Beautiful interior. You can see the dashboard setup, your infotainment system. And this Camaro is complete with a sunroof for those nice weather days. Please let us know what questions that we can help address for you at Apple Chevrolet. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other, we can be reached at 708-429-3000 and online at applechevy.com. Thank you very much.